Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How Logical. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to download Thinkorswim app on your iOS device. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you do that, go to your app store and search Thinkorswim. You should be able to find this app named Thinkorswim Trade Invest. Just hit the download button. Thinkorswim is a powerful and versatile trading platform offered by TD Ameritrade. It is handy for both beginner and experienced users, providing a comprehensive suite of tools and features for analyzing and executing trades in the different financial markets. The download might take a while, so please have patience. Once the app is downloaded, just click Open. Now here you can either log in with TD Ameritrade, log in or open a Squab account, or if you have a demo account, then you can log in/sign up the demo account as well. That's it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, make sure to give thumbs up. Comments with feedbacks are appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a good time.